guys, how you doing? It's Eccentric Dave here again, bringing you one of the finest content online. I just want to say thank you to those that's been subscribing and those that spend time to watch my video. Please carry on and trust me, we've got great things coming. Today I just want to do something different for you, or something special. A lot of people like to eat this thing normal, but today I want to bring a twist to it called Spanish omelette. So today I want to make a Spanish omelette that is good enough to eat throughout the day. You can have it for breakfast, lunch and dinner like I do. So let's have it for breakfast, keep the rest because I'm going to work, come back in the evening and have the rest. Today we're going to make a Spanish omelette with a bit of traditional twist, the way I like to make it. A lot of times you see people make it, they put a simple onion and a bit of this and that, like for example potato, but today we're going to put so many things like some pepper for that heat that you need for the day, that kick that you need, and some vegetable that will make it give a big good balance for dinner. So let's go make this omelette. Let's go. this is the Spanish omelette. Beautiful. The colors are vibrant, the colors are beautiful. You can see the beautiful red sweet pepper right on the top, sitting on it, and the coriander, the greenness just brings it to life. Colorful food to eat. When you see it, just looks so yummy. I finished the rest already. I just saved this guys for you guys to see what it looks like. Succulent, juicy flavor. I can eat this any time of the day, morning, evening, night, you name it. So you guys, try this, and try this, because this is a different type of omelette you guys are used to. Give it a go. Leave comments. Let me know if you like what you've seen so far today. Please subscribe, smash that button. Don't forget to hit that bell so you can see more videos when I release them. Guess what's coming next? Just guess what? Guess what and get ready to say. I will see you guys in the next time. For now, I'm out.